Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. We're going to be doing a budget plan with me from February 26th to March 4th in my Recollections planner, and I'm using my very first ever printable kit in my planner. And this is from Paper Crown Planner, I think, because Paper Crown Prints, I think, is physical stickers. So I think it's Paper Crown Planner. I'll link both of her shops down below. One is a print shop, one is a physical sticker. So if you like this kit and you can't cut your own or print your own stickers, I believe she sells this in her physical shop as well. But I bought a silhouette for myself for Christmas, and I've printed and cut my own sticker kit. The pages are going to be a little wonky because they were on 8.5 by 11 pieces of paper, and I had to cut them down so I could fit them in my binder. So they're a little bit weird, but all the pieces are here. So this is a notebook themed kit, which is very romantic, and I thought it was a perfect transition from the lovey-dovey February into more springy floral March, because it's more blue and green than pink, but it's still romantic. So it has the little couple, suitcase with letters, there's a notebook, the boat. This one says, "If you're a bird, I'm a bird." The letters, the swans, and then "The best love is the kind that awakens the soul and makes us reach for more, plants a fire in our hearts and brings peace to our minds." And I don't have like fancy sticker paper or anything. This is just like label paper, basically, like if you're printing shipping labels, but it still works. And I got this kit on sale for like 50% off or something, so I think it was only like $2 or something crazy. Obviously a silhouette, ink, printer supplies, that kind of stuff is expensive. But even if you just printed it on label paper and cut it by hand with scissors, you know, you still save a lot of money compared to like buying physical stickers and paying for shipping and all that kind of stuff. So definitely an option, but I never really wanted to do it before until I got a silhouette, although I have done printable kits before and made my own stickers and cut them by hand, but I was very excited to do this on my silhouette. And then we have habit trackers, half boxes, hydrates, 3 heart checklists, and then some like quarter box label type things. We have little things and headers, really cute little check boxes, and the heart is very like hand drawn. It's very cute. Checklists, weekend banners, scripty things, and this is what would be really hard to cut by hand. Not gonna lie. Everything else has been kind of squared off. This kind of stuff would be really hard to cut by hand. And this did come with cut files. We have flags, movie marquee, date night plan, you know, and then scripty things, like I said. And then these were cut off of the bottoms. I have date covers, canceled and not happening. I have work stickers, which I don't really need because I work the same hours basically every day. And then 3 quarter boxes. We have sidebar habit trackers, bill dues, and then icons, which again would be a pain to cut by hand, but you could do it. We have the date numbers, and then you have washi strips and the bottom washi. So I think this is going to be an adorable kit, and I can't wait to use it. It took me a while to figure out my my silhouette and everything, but I did it. I'm very proud of that. I mean, when you get cut files, like obviously it's a lot easier than trying to like make your own stuff, but I still was having quite a few issues with just cutting and getting my silhouette to be recognized and all that kind of stuff. But eventually I did it, and now I'm on a couple different shop like mailing lists, like emails, and I have received 3 free printable kits in my email from being on some shop newsletters. One kit was from Pretty on Paper Co., which I got like yesterday in the mail, in my email. And then I've gotten 2 from Lily and Miko. So super excited to print some of those also, because that didn't even cost anything. I mean, not that $2 is expensive, but those were completely free, and I think that's pretty awesome of them. Come on, I might have to white out those lines. Did I miss a line? Oh my gosh, I'm a dingbat. Okay, I think I am done. So I have videos marked, I have some extra TVs in there, I have hydrates, I have nuclear lab kits getting picked up, payday, some bills, let's see, grocery shopping, planning. Oh, is there a laundry? Oh yeah, there was a laundry. Laundry will probably be on Friday. Let's see. Oh, my cell phone bill. I totally forgot about that. I guess that's what I'll use this. I can use this for a cell phone bill, and then I'll put my payday here instead of that for payday. That's fine. Let's see. Filming, manicure, editing, uploading. Yeah. I think this is everything. I think it's super adorable. I think it's ironic that I had the most problems with my full boxes being cut. Everything else seemed to be pretty well cut. Some of them have... Of course I got cut off. So I was saying these little intricate things all cut out perfectly fine, but my full boxes did not. And when I tested the page, I only peeled from the right corner, but it was the left corner that was kind of having issues. So I had to cut some of those, but luckily that's what I had to cut and not anything else because those are square, well, rectangles, and that's easy. So that was fine, whatever. But yeah, I think it's really, really cute. It's super functional. It has everything I want. And I'll use this sidebar for steps and for workouts because I'm starting to work out again. And then I have dinners and hydrate in here. I'll use these for skincare and vitamins. And I don't know, you guys. I'm in love. I love her shop. I love her printed stickers. And now I'm in love with her printables as well. And I will definitely be buying more. Links will be down below. I hope you guys have a great day and go visit Sylvia's shop. She's a wonderful, wonderful person. I will catch you guys in my next video. Happy March. Bye.